star hash 06 hash IMEI2. Okay. Star hash 0 0 0 0 star hash sorry hash star model number, build number, hardware version, IMEI1, IMEI2, back, star hash 6130 hash star found information part 2 card 1 card 2 battery information, battery status no charging, power block, battery level, battery score, battery health got back, star hash 2846 579 hash star setting, log setting, mobile log, modem log, network log, GPS log, battery log, back, phone info check, version info check, hardware info check, other check, back, network setting, CIM log status check, pressure and quantity info check, battery charged menu, back. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.